Guys, I miss you all so much. It's been a long time. This video is gonna be like a get ready with me video. We'll hear a lot of stories, what's been going on with me, and what my plans are for my YouTube channel, etc. Stick around. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe right here or down below. I'm gonna be doing like a more of a purple look today. Something cute, something simple. So for this makeup look, I'm gonna be using the Morphe James Charles palette. I've had this since last year, November. Like, I haven't touched this, so I'm gonna be using this a little bit. So I bought this from Burlington, which is very handy, so I don't have to keep going back and forth with my makeup and stuff. So this primer for my makeup, I always use the No Pore Problem Touch and Soul primer. I got this from BoxyCharm. I believe it was in July or June. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm just gonna put that like all over here. I just want to know like how you guys been, and I miss you all. If I've been very like jittery today, it's just because it's been a long time and I'm like being nervous, like very nervous to come back and start YouTube again. So I can't wait to see what my channel will bring. I'm gonna be using my tape for this one just to make my looks precise. So I'm gonna use this like NYX brow pencil, and what I always do is I brush my brows and then I line it up with this one right here, and I go with my Anastasia brow pomade. For those who are still in my channel, still subscribe to me, thank you. And I'm gonna be doing a giveaway every monthly, so if you guys are into that, just stay subscribed and supportive. I always use like a light hand texture because I don't want to go too rough on my brows, because I want to try to make it like very natural as possible. And the color that I'm using is the chocolate one, which is really cool.
I'm using my phone for this one. I never had a camera for the begin with, but I'm using my iPhone XS Max, if anyone is wondering what camera I'm using right now. And I'm also using the flash in the back of the phone, and I'm using my mirror as like a, like, you know, to see what I look like right now. Even
I can't see myself because this girl's on a budget. So if you're trying to start a YouTube channel, there's no excuse. You can use your iPhone, whatever iPhone it is. I started with the iPod before, guys. Yeah. All that matters is that you do your lighting, like natural lighting, like brightness is like key of filming. And I'm gonna be switching up a new phone this year, like always. I always do that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be using the Anastasia brow pomade. Color of this one is medium brown. So what I did with this one, I usually smush the, you know, the insides. It's like literally fired up this, like, you know, it's smoother when I apply it on my brows, and it's actually really cute, like really nice and precise. So light up the fire and just like put it like around just like that, and make it like really jello-y looking. I don't have my well, my brushes are dirty, so I have to see what I can use for my brows. Very thin brush, so like I can line up my brows a little bit. It's really cute. It's gonna go a little bit, just tiny, because you want to make it look very natural. And I grab some more, do like that. And then I just draw like this, like I use this and just comb my brows to make it look a little natural. I did a little bit too much, but like your girl always does that. Use one of these. This one is in light 14. And I'm just gonna use that to clean out my brows. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in light 14. I don't know the brush of this. I just got this for free like a long time ago. So for my YouTube channel, I'm gonna be posting 3 times a week, hopefully Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I'm gonna start from that, and if I don't, guys, come at me. please. It's gonna be either makeup related, unboxing videos. I'm gonna be doing a lot of unboxing videos because I've been purchasing a lot of subscription boxes as well. Vlogging as well on this channel, so there's gonna be a lot of varieties on here. Like,
so I use like setting spray just to wet my face and stuff. Dab with this thing, with this brush. Like, I'm making sure that the concealer is really set. And then what I do, I get this Airspun loose face powder brush. And then just put that a little bit. Just double down like that. So that's what I'm done. I just put that to the side. I'm gonna buy like some new brushes, guys, because it's a must. So for my transition, I'm gonna be using this hot pink one. One thing I hate about this palette is like it stains on your eyes, but overall it's really good. I always double dab, like I dab my shadows, so like instead of doing like this, it makes it like less to see the color. So when I double dab and I just swirl a little bit, you can actually see it in like light texture, like just going like this. Double that and just like swirl.
a giveaway from starting September, like the middle of September probably, and then it's gonna be like every month I'm gonna be doing like a small giveaway just to say thank you for being here and supportive. So mark your calendars, it'll be on September. I'll probably put it in the description like what I had in mind, like what day it will be, like the giveaway. So you guys can see the colors a lot brighter a little bit. That was like my goal, is like to make the colors bright. And just double over here. Patience when you're doing makeup, guys. It is like that, and you're gonna do the same thing with the other eye. So usually it takes you about 30 minutes to blend, guys. Like, it does. This eye just took me like 15 minutes, because if you really want to make your looks precise and really good, like, you know, when I do my makeup, I always take like, you know, especially with my eyes, like with my shadows, I take about an hour. So I'm gonna be using right now is this purpley shade. It's like a very light purple. I'm just gonna go the same way but under the pink. I feel like this eye, I always do worse than this eye, so I'm always trying to practice the ones that I'm worst at and build it up. So the next brush I'm going to be using is the M431. This is just like a very precise small brush where I'm going to put like the darker purple over this too. I'm going to be using this purple right here to have like a little smoky effect to it.
I'm gonna be using is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, but this one is in Fair, where I will be using this as my cut crease to make my look a little bit brighter and, you know, out there. I'm gonna be using this brush. I know it's kind of tiny, but it really works so nicely. So I'm gonna apply this on. If you don't want to spend like extremely expensive concealer, this is really good. I always use it all the time. So I'm just gonna use this and just do my cut crease.
I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye, but I want to be focused on this eye a lot because I'm always screwing it up. So I'll be using this color right here under the black shade right here. I don't know the names completely. Just a little highlight right here. Which is Bestie. I'm just gonna do a little bit underneath the pink, just a little bit. Very shade right here. I'm gonna use a different brush, obviously, and just fan brush it like this. This shade right here, just put it in the corner. I just know. And on we'll go. Yeah, there doesn't say the shade, but it's like a very nice nude, kind of like a plum. But it looks like this. I'm gonna be using it for my final look. I used my false lashes from, I think it was Lily Lashes from BoxyCharm. So this is what I used, and I did my mascara from Ulta. I was showing throughout the video a little bit, and after this video I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit. So this is my final look. So let me know what you guys think. I think it's pretty cute. Like, it's simple and very, a little bit girly. I give away in the middle of September, so you guys can keep a lookout in the description below. Just a giveaway for my supporters who have been showing me love, even though I haven't been here in a while, but it's always appreciative that people still watch my videos. Glad that I can be back to show you guys, you know, just support as well. I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe.